Hey, this is David. Hey, as you can see by the screen, I got a gadget. I've already unboxed the first one. This is the second one. So hopefully you can hear me, and we'll dive into here. One of the things we understand you should be looking for is the charger box, because that has the manual which explains how to undo and unfold the bike and all those kinds of things. So we'll get this thing unfolded and or pulled out and take a look at it. So we decided on this e-bike to help us with our short-range transportation needs and just some fun. And so these come with a battery and a 500-watt motor in the back wheel, and allow you to get some pedal assist. You can pedal them like a normal bike. They're much heavier than a normal bike though, so hence the pedal assist and some range on them. So the box is really stout. Of course, with any shipped item you want to check it for damage. This one has no issues on the inside, so it looks pretty good here. And you can see how stout it is packaged. Lots of padding, lots of areas.
Where's that box we're looking for?
The box I was looking for is actually at the bottom of the box.
Oh, wow.
So I don't even see it here. I saw it after I pulled the bike out. So let me do that. I'm going to reach down here under the stem, and I'm going to grab the back of the bike. That was a little bit rougher than the other one. The other one came out pretty well. So let me get some packing materials out here and try that again.
Like a big project going on there.
There you go.
There's our e-bikes.
Oh, cool.
Pedal assist.
So, as I said, the box is at the bottom.
So, because we got the big
Brother
gas
has
in.
one of those.
Huh?
Len's brother has one of those. He really likes it.
So, yeah, these are pretty cheap.
Is there anything you
Yeah,
can
now I have to have rules. I have to
Okay.
I'm only at 300.
Okay. You better get moving. It's going to be a little while before that gets together anyway. You enjoy.
Thank you.
All right, so like I said, the manual here is, or the box here that has the
Yeah, hopefully they'll put this in an
charger in the charger, and the manual is inside the box.
We didn't know that when we unboxed the first one.
When we unboxed the first one, we didn't realize that, so we kind of played it ad hoc.
So hopefully they will include that in that email when they say, "Hey, it's arrived."
Yeah,
find that.
it's it's just a nice little improvement for them. So I've already read the manual on the other one. Well, read versus skimmed. We'll say that read/skimmed. I don't know where I put the scissors this time.
Under the box.
Thank you. All right, so now I'm going to pull all the stuff from around the outside here off. I'm just going to start on one side and work my way around, and then we'll unfold the thing. So some of them are easier than others, just lightly taped on, like that one. Others are zip tied, so hence why I have some extra force. Like here's a zip tie one. And that will allow me to well, I was trying to open it, yeah. Open it up a little bit to help me get things off. Okay, so that's almost all of the stuff. There is a piece of plastic here, which I'll take once I get it folded up, or unfolded, actually. Technically, unfolded.
And that folding was the other interesting.
Yeah. So there's a little bit of a talk.
What have you learned?
This hinge is pretty rigid when it's brand new, like these are. So we're going to talk about how they recommend to do this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the handlebar together on this. So I'm going to take this piece right here is the handlebar and get it locked in. The handlebar hole here is keyed, and the handlebar has a flat side on it. So if you undo this, you should be able to take your handlebars, and you can see the flat side here. It has some nice markings on the handlebar, so you can do that, but you have to have it at least this deep to the lines. So you just kind of place this in here and it will slide in. I'm just letting it be there. We'll adjust it later for whoever's this bike is going to be.
Yeah, they're both exactly alike.
We have identical bikes, identical colors, and identical features so far on these. So they say to stay back here near the fold, at least that's how I read it, and kind of pick the bike up and do it. I've actually found if I push down on the back and then push the front wheel, that was so much easier. And I can get that to fold. Now you see there's a little bit of a gap still there, so I've just got to kind of help that get engaged, and that locks the bike in place. Got a kickstand on the back so I can have my hands free. First thing I'll do is I'll take the seat out so I can do that. This too has markings for seat height with a minimum, so you have to go in at least as deep as the markings on the back. Again, that just slides into the seat post, and we just put that down at the 10 mark. Notice I couldn't twist that. That's actually a safety feature. So you make sure you're aligned the way you want it before you press that down, and then that's the bike. Now these handlebars are way high for me. The seat probably is too.
Well, you said all you really wanted to do was charge it.
Yep, to get it to a spot where we can charge it, which is where we're at right here.
Because that's what the manual said, it's only partially charged. So you're not doing anything till you charge it.
Yep. Well, it's mostly charged is the word that I would...
Did you want to show them this?
Yeah, so again, you've got the whole handlebars here. So this is part of the pedal assist level on-off button. Your screen, it shows you your data, how much pedal assist you have, how your battery charges is, how fast you're going. A little Shimano shifter, and right here on the right handle is your pedal assist. It's a half throttle, and then you've got your rear brake on the right, because most people are right-handed, and your front brake on the left to help you with the shifting and the different gearings.
So are you going to just put this one over here?
Nope, I'm just going to put it right up next to the other one, and the cable's long enough and plug it in.